Assalamu alaikum. Audubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. When we are in the down position, but we are at the lowest in position, but we are saying He is the highest, He is the highest, He is the highest. So Allah like very much to see this scenario. We are in the Shizda, in the lowest position, but we are pronouncing and stating that He is the highest, He is the highest, Subhan Allah wa bihamdihi. And you will find a lot of medical benefits due to the time constant. I don't want to discuss in details here, just one thing of want to share. Precisely, that in Shizda your brain position becomes lower. Then your heart, your brain is lower. Then your heart, so you get more blood supply. It will gives you a very good effect on your memory, in your vision, in your hearing. That's why Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam professionalism used to offer long Shizda, very long. Ummul Mu'minun Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu says Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to prolong his prostration up until that extent someone can recite it 50 Quran verses, 50 Quran verses. Allahu Akbar. So can you assume I mean the duration of one Shizda of our Prophet? Prophet, how many minutes can you assume? Please, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Every single Shizda of our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to take 15 minutes one Shizda time. You can recite it 50 Quran verses. Allahu Akbar. And he also advised us to take relaxation, no rush in Shizda. He said, Summa ujjud hatta tatna inna sajda. He was teaching Ashabi how to pray when he come to the area of Shizda. He said, don't rush. Ujjud hatta tatna inna sajda. Get the relaxation, get the healing, and there will be the final trial of Shizda in the day of judgment. Not only in world, there will be a final trial of Shizda. Allah will order the entire human being prostrate right now.